Hey everybody, it's Dr. Fish, the Mad Scientist. Guys, today I wanted to show you a video of spending $10 on some cool toys. Today I was with a buddy of mine and he offered me this box for $10 and I bought it from him. Some pretty cool stuff in here. Like this right here is for like laser tag. This is pretty cool. This one's actually like missing the clip. Some kind of Nerf gun. You got this one. This one actually works. That's what Dr. Fish was doing today. This one's like fully automatic too. Pretty cool for 10 bucks. You know? It's like a little drone in here. Here's the controller. Everything needs batteries though. Some kind of PlayStation controller. I like this kind of stuff. Dr. Fish was on the prowl today. Even these like laser tag things need batteries. There's a jump rope in here. Got myself a jump rope. Look at that. Bad boys, bad boys. What you gonna do? What you gonna do when they come for you? That's what Fishy got today. Look at it. It's pretty cool, right? Some Legos and stuff. Be buying things like this to get parts for projects. I don't know what this is. This is pretty cool right here. This works too. A little shotgun. This thing's cool. I was playing with it earlier. This crossbow, man, it seems like it's stuck though. I don't know. Little crossbow stuck. Yeah, that's what Fishy got. Weird stuff in here. I don't know what this is. Simple kind of charger. Just wanted to show you guys Dr. Fish spending $10 on some toys. It's a great $10 right here. Dr. Fish. Here we go. I like this one though. I don't have no darts or anything. A lot of stuff. Dr. Fish spending $10 on some toys. I'm gonna get that drone working too. I always get this kind of stuff, man, because I'm gonna do some cool stuff with this. I'm gonna get some darts for the Nerf guns too. Oh, look, this fell out. I don't even know what it is. Some kind of little pouch thing. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Dr. Fish out.